Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the different Tesla models. But before we get into that, I want to ask you a question. What's the one thing that everyone wants in a car? Is it speed? Is it luxury? Is it safety? Well, the answer is all of the above. And that's exactly what Tesla delivers. Tesla is a company that's changing the way we think about cars. They're not just building cars, they're building the future of transportation. And their cars are packed with features that you won't find in any other car on the road. So, if you're in the market for a new car, or if you're just curious about what Tesla has to offer, then stick around. Because I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about the different Tesla models. Tesla Model S. The Tesla Model S is the original Tesla car, and it's still one of the most popular models today. It's a luxury sedan that's packed with features, including a 100 kilowatt-hour battery pack that gives it a range of up to 402 miles, a dual-motor all-wheel drive system that delivers 639 horsepower, a top speed of 155 miles per hour, a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of 2.1 seconds, a luxurious interior with heated and ventilated seats, a panoramic sunroof, and a 17-inch touchscreen display. Advanced safety features, including automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and blind spot monitoring. The Model S is a great choice for anyone who wants a high-performance luxury sedan that's also environmentally friendly. Tesla Model 3. The Tesla Model 3 is the most affordable Tesla car, and it's also one of the most popular. It's a compact sedan that's perfect for daily commuting and road trips. It has a range of up to 358 miles, a dual-motor all-wheel drive system that delivers 340 horsepower, and a top speed of 162 miles per hour. The Model 3 also has a luxurious interior with heated and ventilated seats, a panoramic sunroof, and a 15-inch touchscreen display. It also has advanced safety features, including automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and blind spot monitoring. The Model 3 is a great choice for anyone who wants an affordable electric car that's packed with features. Tesla Model X. The Tesla Model X is a crossover SUV that's perfect for families and outdoor enthusiasts. It has a range of up to 370 miles, a dual-motor all-wheel drive system that delivers 525 horsepower, and a top speed of 155 miles per hour. The Model X also has a luxurious interior with heated and ventilated seats, a panoramic sunroof, and a 17-inch touchscreen display. It also has advanced safety features, including automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and blind spot monitoring. The Model X is a great choice for anyone who wants a spacious and capable electric SUV. Tesla Model Y. The Tesla Model Y is the newest Tesla model, and it's already one of the most popular. It's a compact SUV that's perfect for families and daily commuting. It has a range of up to 326 miles, a dual-motor all-wheel drive system that delivers 317 horsepower, and a top speed of 155 miles per hour. The Model Y also has a luxurious interior with heated and ventilated seats, a panoramic sunroof, and a 15-inch touchscreen display. It also has advanced safety features, including automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and blind spot monitoring. The Model Y is a great choice for anyone who wants a versatile and affordable electric SUV. Tesla Semi. The Tesla Semi is a semi-truck that's designed to revolutionize the trucking industry. It has a range of up to 500 miles, a battery pack that can be charged in as little as 30 minutes, and a powerful electric motor that delivers 1,000 horsepower. The Tesla Semi is also equipped with advanced safety features, including automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and blind spot monitoring. The Tesla Semi is a great choice for any company that wants to reduce its carbon footprint and improve its fuel efficiency. Tesla Roadster. The Tesla Roadster is a sports car that's designed to be the fastest car in the world. It has a range of up to 620 miles, a quad-motor all-wheel drive system that delivers 1,000 horsepower, and a top speed of 250 miles per hour. The Tesla Roadster also has a luxurious interior with heated and ventilated seats, a panoramic sunroof, and a 17-inch touchscreen display. It also has advanced safety features, including automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and blind spot monitoring. The Tesla Roadster is a great choice for anyone who wants the ultimate performance car. Tesla offers a wide variety of models to choose from, so there's something for everyone. Whether you're looking for a luxury sedan, a compact SUV, a semi-truck, or a sports car, Tesla has a model that's perfect for you. So, what are you waiting for? Go out and test drive a Tesla today. I hope this video has helped you learn more about the different Tesla models. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos on electric vehicles.